Well, the weekend might be over, as says that maybe. However, there's something about the start of the new week that we always look forward to, and yeah, that something is Mamma Mia Monday.
Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's Laroma is with us in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today. Welcome, happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Here we are again. Happy Monday.
Yeah, what's on the menu today?
Well, we're going to do something different today. We're going to do a pasta in a summer sauce. Now, summer sauce is room temperature ingredients, and we're going to do hot pasta and mix it together.
Oh, so, that sounds wonderful.
You know, very light and easy in the summer.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of oil in this pan, and at least if you don't mind, we have some basil, some heirloom tomatoes, and a little bit of red onion. If you just want to chop those in a salsa type, rough chop.
Rough chop,
you know,
okay.
I'm all about rough chop.
Rough
We're
chop.
going to do a little shrimp. We're going to add a little shrimp to this dish. We're going to pizzazz it up a little bit.
Oh, ready to go?
If you put it right inside the frying pan there.
There we go.
Go ahead.
Shrimp are in.
So this is a sauce that you can do at room temperature, let the salsa, Italian salsa, sit at room temperature. You do it in the morning, especially in the summer. Nobody feels like cooking on the hot stove. You do that in the morning, and then you just do some pasta. If you want to add shrimp, you can. You can just boil your pasta, throw it, and put it right here. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic in here, Jim.
Oh,
it's okay. It's okay.
You need to give me a warning before you stick it.
A little garlic and basil. We don't want to do too much of that.
Goes a long way, huh?
It goes a long way. You just want to get the flavor out of the shrimp when you're cooking with the oil here, because the flavor is really going to be inside of the tomatoes.
Aha, okay.
So basically, what Lisa's helping me do there is just make a rough chop, and we're going to do a salsa type. Just want to grab a bowl. I'm sorry.
She's got that chop down pat, hasn't she?
Well, when you got a good knife.
You just put everything right in here.
Okay.
If we could. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in the meantime.
Should I be going faster?
No, no. Maybe I'm going too fast. I'm sorry.
Okay, so you want this all rough chopped, kind
just
of
chopped like salsa type, just chunks.
Okay.
And a little bit of red vinegar in this. We're going to add a little pepper drop. These are sweet peppers. No worry, Jimmy.
Darn.
Oh, those are pretty peppers.
Yeah, those are pepper drops. It's a new hybrid pepper. They're sweet.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just did that for a little color. So as we're doing this, I'm going to get one more spoon here. Sorry about that. I mixed up what Lisa's putting in here. Like I said, this is all going to be room temperature, and the heat's going to come from the pasta and the shrimp. So I pre-cooked this just to make time a little easier on us.
Okay.
I'm going to put that right in, like that.
And typical Joe, this is quick and easy.
This is quick and easy. I try to make that a thing, right?
Yeah.
Especially on Monday, everybody wants something quick and easy.
So how was your Father's Day?
My Father's Day was okay. I spent it with my father.
Okay.
Well, it was in the car. I picked my father and my mother up from New York yesterday. They went for a wedding rehearsal, or wedding shower, I'm sorry. So it was good. I got to spend time with my father on Father's Day.
Oh, nice. That's nice. Yeah, I'm sure he enjoyed that.
He enjoyed it very much. So pretty much here, all we're going to do is add a little bit of salt and pepper, which I have done, a bit more, and a little bit more oil.
You can just kind of feel this out as you go. This needs more of this and a little bit of that.
My measuring is here,
Right.
So how much salt you put?
That'll work.
Much, yeah. So as we're doing this, we can just let this cook for about a minute or two, and then we can put it together.
And eat it?
Yeah, why not?
That's my favorite part of when you're
That's
here.
what we do on Mondays.
Right?
Yeah,
That's
I
what
like
we
that.
do on Mondays.
All right, well, stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back, and we're going to eat something.
Quick, easy, light, and bright. These are just a few words we can use to describe the culinary creation we're assembling in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. That's because Chef Joe Bellia from Joe's Laroma is joining us in the DelmarvaLife kitchen for Mamma Mia Monday.
So you said how we pretty much did this all the way from scratch.
Yes, we did.
I mean, we do all when an order comes in at the restaurant, everything is in the raw state mostly, and every order's cooked, and you can see how easy and quick you can do some dishes.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to add a little bit of the pasta and the shrimp.
Yeah.
I know I'm going the wrong way, sorry. There we go. And then we'll put a little bit of...
Pasta down.
Not for long, though, right?
A little bit of the mix here. And then a little bit more on top. So when you have tomatoes, when you're doing this chop, you want to save the juice because that becomes part of the sauce there, right?
Yeah, he actually pulled a piece of tomato and squeezed it a little bit.
Yeah.
Something I'd never seen done before, but
Don't
made
wanna
sense.
Waste anything, right?
No,
We'll
absolutely
garnish
not.
this with a little bit of basil and let you guys try it.
Ooh.
So this is supposed to be warm, like almost just above room temperature or so.
Right?
It's a great summer dish. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. And we would just like to say very quickly, it doesn't just smell good.
No.
So I want to have some thank yous and some happies to go over. So
What do you got?
yesterday was my business partner, Laura. I know he's like Batman. Nobody knows who he is. He's in the shadows. It was his birthday, so I want to wish Chris a happy birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday, Chris.
And then I want to thank everybody for yesterday was our 2-year anniversary already, and it's gone that quick.
Congratulations.
Happy
We had the most
anniversary.
wonderful guests at the restaurant, and I mean it's been my pleasure to serve them, and I can't wait to do it for 20 more years hopefully.
You are the talk of the town,
No
let me
kidding.
tell
Appreciate that.
you.
Thank you.
People
No
are
kidding.
loving Joe's La Roma in Fruitland.
Thank you.
I would say you need to build a bigger restaurant so you can have more people
God.
in, but
That
I think
could
that's
be
the
the case.
charm of
It's
it.
just the way I want it. So
Just
I
the way you
touch
want.
every dish that goes out. So anything question it's on me. But I feel good with having that little restaurant where I can control everything. Control.
You have always said that's important to you.
It's very important.
That's awesome.
Bigger is not always better.
Yeah.
Joe, you're the best.
You are the
Yeah.
best. And
How's
I'm
that?
just, this is amazing. And you're
Nice.
right, it's
like
so
you can
light.
serve that. You can leave. Serve that cold or as it is warm or however you want to do it.
Eat it however we want.
However you want to do it.